Marjana. Today we will discuss degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. We have three degrees of comparison. They are the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Adjectives have three forms. Adjectives have three forms like verbs. Adjectives have three degrees. Some adverbs have also three forms. Short words, short adjectives, or mono and disyllabic adjectives take er and est as suffixes to form the comparative and the superlative degrees. We add the suffixes er and est to form both the comparative and the superlative degrees. Polysyllabic adjectives. Adjectives which have more than two syllables generally take more and most. M-O-R-E, more, and M-O-S-T, most, to form the comparative and the superlative degrees respectively. Adjectives ending with the suffixes like ful, some, able, ive, and etc. take more and most to form the comparative and the superlative degrees. But some adjectives have three different forms. Some adjectives have three different forms like good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Okay, let's illustrate these sentences. The first one, Balu is a clever boy. The second one, Balu is cleverer than Hari. Balu is the cleverest boy in the class. The underlined words are adjectives. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. The underlined words are adjectives. The first one, Balu is a clever boy. Here the word clever merely describes the noun Balu. Here we are just describing the noun Balu. What kind of boy Balu is? What kind of boy he is? He is a clever boy. Balu is a clever boy. Here the adjective clever describes only the noun Balu. Here we are not comparing Balu with someone else. We are just describing the person. When we just describe a person or a thing, we use only the base adjective, the base form of the adjective, the root adjective. Clever. Coming to the second one, Balu is cleverer than Hari. Here we take two people, two persons, Balu and Hari. Here the comparison is between two boys. That's why we add the suffix er to the base adjective clever. Balu is cleverer than Hari. Here clever is changed to cleverer because here comparison is there. The comparison is between two people. Third one, Balu is the cleverest boy in the class. The second sentence, we compare Balu with Hari. Two people. Balu is cleverer than Hari. In the second sentence, Balu is the cleverest boy in the class. Here we compare Balu with other boys in the class, with other students in the class. Here the comparison is more than two people or two boys or two students. When we compare more than two persons, two people or two things, we use the superlative degrees. We add the suffix est to the positive degree clever. Balu is the cleverest boy in the class. Here he is the only cleverest boy in the class. Like that, adjectives have 3 degrees. Comparison means to compare with one person to the other, one thing to the other. What about degree? Degree means the change in adjectives, the amount of quality we use to describe a person or a thing, the amount of quality, the increase in the quality. Here cleverer. Here the amount of quality is increased, that is called degree. We have 4 models in degrees of comparison. In the first and second models, we use only the positive and the comparative degrees. The first and second models, we only use the positive degree and the comparative degree. It means the comparison is only between two persons or two things or two places. When the comparison is between two persons, things or places, only the positive and the comparative degrees are used. There is no room for the superlative degree. Here superlative degree is not possible because the comparison is made between two. The first one, comparative degree, is in affirmative sentence. Comparative degree is in affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence means when there is no not, when there is no not not in the sentence, it is called an affirmative sentence, an affirmative statement, or a statement, or an affirmative sentence when there is no not in the sentence. Balu is cleverer than Hari. Here, Balu is cleverer than Hari is in the comparative degree. Balu is cleverer than Hari. Here, we compare Balu with Hari. There are two persons. The comparison is made between two. So, we use only the positive degree and the comparative degree. Balu is cleverer than Hari. It is in the comparative degree. Here, er plus than. Adjective plus er plus than indicates it is in the comparative degree. Here, the comparison is only between two persons. When it is changed into the positive degree, the positive degree must be in negative sentence. When the comparative degree is in affirmative sentence, the positive degree must be in negative sentence. Negative sentence means we must use not in the positive degree. Hari is not Hari is not so clever as Balu. Hari is not so clever as Balu. What are the changes taken place from the comparative degree to the positive degree? There are some changes taken place between these two sentences. The first one, to reverse the comparing things. The comparative degree begins with the noun Balu, but the positive degree begins with the noun Hari. Here we reverse the comparing things, the comparing persons. The positive degree begins with the noun Hari. The second one, we use not in the positive degree. If not is there in the comparative degree, we must use not not in the positive degree. Because Balu is cleverer than Hari, it means Hari is not so clever as Balu. So we must use not in the positive degree. The next one, change the adjective cleverer to clever. Here the adjective cleverer is changed to clever because here we are transforming the comparative degree into the positive degree. Positive degree means the base form of the adjective is used. Here we remove or we omit the suffix er, clever. The next one, use so as. Use so as in the positive degree. The adjective is placed between so as. The adjective is placed between so as. We can interchange these two sentences, the positive degree into the comparative degree and vice versa. It can be changed into the positive degree. The positive degree is turned into the comparative degree. The structure: adjective plus er plus than. Adjective plus er plus than. When there is more, 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 if the adjective more is there in the comparative degree, it generally comes before the adjective. More precedes the adjective, but er is added to the adjective. Adjective plus er plus than. Compare positive degree, not plus so as. Not plus so as. Adjective is placed between so as. This is the first one. How the comparative degree is changed into the positive degree when the comparative degree is in the affirmative sentence. The next one, second model, comparative degree is in negative sentence. Comparative degree is in negative sentence. Balu is not cleverer than Hari. Here, not cleverer than. Balu is not cleverer than Hari. Both sentences are the same. Balu is cleverer than Hari. Balu is not cleverer than Hari, except this word not. It means here the comparative degree is in negative sentence. When the comparative degree is in negative sentence, when the comparative degree is negative, the positive degree must be positive. Balu is not cleverer than Hari. Hari is as clever as Balu. Hari is as clever as Balu. Balu is not cleverer than Hari. It means Balu is not cleverer than Hari. Hari is at least as clever as Balu. Hari is not cleverer than Balu, but Hari is at least as clever as Balu. Hari is as clever as Balu. Here not is there. We remove the not in the positive degree. Adjective is changed to clever. Here we use as. When the positive degree is in negative, we use so as. When the positive degree is in affirmative sentence, use as. The adjective is placed between as, omit than, remove the word than. Structure: not plus adjective plus er plus than. Positive degree, at least, as. Here adjective is placed between as. We can also add at least. Hari is at least as clever as Balu. We can add this phrase, at least. Hari is at least as clever as Balu. We'll discuss the other two models in the next class. Thank you.